Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can find saved videos in YouTube very easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will going to watch this video, like just for showing you. If we just click on this video and if you want to save this video, you just need to come over at the downside, and in the right side you can see there is an option called save. So if you click on that and click on watch later, because there are not playlists, you can save it as a watch later, and after that it's completely saved. So now what you need to do, just come over this horizontal line over here, and then you just need to come over watch later option at the left side. Click on that, and after that you can see that video you saved, it's over here, you can see. So this is how you can find your YouTube videos saved in YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.